Hi everyone, I'm Jemmy. Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial aims to enhance your pronunciation. Although, ironically, my gums are swelling right now for unknown reasons, so I cannot speak very properly. But still, I'm going to try my best to speak as clearly as I can. We will achieve this aim through learning commonly challenging vowels in the International Phonetic Alphabet, or in short, IPA. But first, you might ask me, what is IPA? IPA is a special alphabet that shows how words sound and not how they are spelled. According to my research, there is only one IPA system in the world, and it's used for all languages. But English uses 44 IPA symbols, 20 vowels, and 24 consonants. Among the 20 vowels, there are 8 that are commonly seen as easy to understand. Those are A, A, O, O, ow, ow, ia, ia, ea, ea, oi, oi, I, and ua, ua. They are also called diphthong vowels, and for each diphthong vowel, there are two sounds. Now, let us move on to the remaining 12 vowel sounds. And these are the ones that are usually challenging for English learners to differentiate. Often, non-native speakers hear multiple vowels as the same. In this video, we will make clear their differences. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet: A, E, I, O, and U. For the vowel A, there are 3 vowel sounds in IPA. The first one is the long one. Ah, ah. Repeat after me. Ah, as in father, father. I will be using the British accent for examples throughout this video. Then for the second one, just put your tongue forward, low in the mouth. Eh, eh. Repeat after me. Eh, as in cat, cat. Now for the third one, this is also called schwa. Uh, uh. This is neither a weak nor a weak But since it sounds more like an I included this in this set. Again, the schwa, uh, like in the word sofa, uh. It's very lazy, Now let us move on to the next set. For the letter E in the English alphabet, we have 2 vowel sounds. The first one is the long one. Eh. Repeat after me. Eh. As in bird, bed, not bed, bird. And then for the second one, the short one. Eh. 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 As in bed. Now, on to the next letter among the 5 vowels in the English alphabet, the letter I. It also has 2 vowel sounds. First, the long one. E. Repeat after me. E. As in C. As you have probably seen by now, the colon indicates a long sound. Next, the second one is the shorter one. E. E. As in sit. Moving on to the next vowel, the letter O. It has three variants. First, the long one. O. Repeat after me. O. As in law. Next, the shorter one. O. O. Repeat after me. O. As in hot. Then for the last one, O. O. As in the expression O. Again, O. As in cup. Cup. For the last letter, the letter U, we also have two vowel sounds. First, as usual, the long one. U. U. As in the word blue. And then next, the short one. U. U. As in book. Again, repeat after me. U. As in book. Now it's time for your short activity. I will speak a word and then you should identify which vowel sound is incorporated. First, pot. 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 Is it letter A? A? Is it letter B? E? Is it letter C? O. Pot. The correct answer is letter C. Now for the next one, pit. 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 Is it letter A? E? Is it letter B? I? I? Is it letter C? E. The correct answer is letter B. I. Pit. Now that ends our activity. As I told you, it's just very short. However, you can find other activities here on YouTube or across the internet. But I encourage you to watch this video again and again to reinforce learning and mastery. I'm hoping that you've learned something and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!